basically this is a Jeep. It's a 4x4 robot we made. It's got the battery power, the battery supply.
Yeah, but what does it do?
CPU, and it basically goes forward. It's got the 4 IR sensors here, which help it turn.
Yeah,
it's a fully automated
one
car.
on the right, one on the rear left, and one on the rear right. Yeah, so what happens is it starts off moving forward, and if it senses something on the left, it moves towards the right. If it senses something on the right, it moves towards the left. Then, if it senses two things in the front, and both sensors are sensing something, it moves backwards. And then, when it moves backwards, there's two sensors on the back, which sense the things behind the bot, and then turn to move into another direction. This is how the bot gets around obstacles. Okay. Then the design of the bot was made so that it could encompass the battery pack, 4 IR sensors, 2 lights, which switch on, like the red light switch on when it's going backwards, 2 buzzers which switch on depending on which direction it's going, and 2 lights in the front as well when it's moving forward. All this does is pretty much make a car, as said before, that moves forward, detects something, moves away from the object and keeps moving forward. One of the challenges we had when making this design was to find the different spots.
The car turns, because you see the angle of this can change because these aren't very tight, and at the back they're extremely loose, so the angle can change. So we had to reprogram it 3 times to find out the correct program for everything.
And we need to fine-tune the angle because the field of view for these IR sensors is quite narrow.
Yeah, so I think it's about 1 centimeter is all it can sense. That's the battery. As you can see, it moves forward. As my hand's placed at the back, it senses something making that extremely screeching noise because my hand was at the back. Overall,
overall, this is our bot. We call it the Jeep sensing bot. It was inspired by the Google self-driving or driverless car. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you.
Good job. Thank you.